If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Instagram accounts, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu in the top right corner, then select Settings from the menu that appears. Step 4. Navigate to Security. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. This section contains all security-related options for your account. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Under the Security section, tap on Two-factor authentication. You will see the option to turn it off. Toggle the switch to disable it and confirm your choice if prompted. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.